Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and today I want to present you the honey melon. At least that's what the Germans call Honigmelone or honey melon. It seems that at least in America there are a lot of other, sometimes quite different melons called honey melon. Classification of melons is very complicated. They seem to have been with mankind from the very beginning, from the first civilizations on, were domesticated, well, somewhere in this area between Africa and Asia where civilization started, like Egypt or Mesopotamia or something. Yeah, like 2000 BC they seem to have spread pretty much through, North Africa all the way through China. There are hundreds of different cultivars, most of which are classified into 6 types, but neither the classification of the cultivars into this type, nor even the classification of these types in one species is really clear. Well, all those melons, not just the not just the honey melon, but a lot of other different varieties, they all classified into the species Cucumis melo, which is not closely related to the watermelon, Citrullus lanatus. Like the melons are closely related to the cucumbers. The cucumbers are Cucumis sativus and the melons are Cucumis melo, while the watermelon is in a totally different genus, Citrullus. Well, in those Cucumis melo, they seem to have traits from several wild and feral Cucumis species, so that doesn't make it more simple. As I said, they seem to be like 6 different types. Only 2 of them are quite popular in the West. This honey melon belongs to the variety Inodorus. Yeah, the outside does not smell at all, and the inside smells like, like some default fruit or vegetable. Well, there are others, a lot more aromatic melons. So yeah, here we have the honey melon. This used to be the standard melon available in Germany like 30-35 years ago when I came to Germany. All other melons were pretty rare and hard to find. But this was to be found pretty much all the time. Well, it looked, felt and tasted and smelled very different from the melon I knew from Bulgaria. We basically had one single melon variety in Bulgaria, very different from this one. Actually, I like the Bulgarian ones much better. But that's what you would get here. All those other varieties, they started showing up in standard supermarkets only later. So let's try this honey melon, this Cucumis melo var Inodorus. Well, it's kind of crunchy. I choose the ripest melon in the supermarket and still it is ripe enough to be pleasant, but it could be even more ripe. How shall I describe it? Almost no smell except of some generic plant smell. Quite sweet. Yeah, gives me some sore throat because I seem to be allergic against something in West and South European melons. Doesn't affect me in Asia or in Bulgaria, but in Germany, Italy, Spain, I cannot eat melons. Good that I'm invited to a barbecue party today that though they don't know what's coming at them. They have to eat all those melons. Well, yeah, this honey melon, yeah, pretty nice and sweet. When it's really ripe, yeah, it does not remind me more of honey than all the other melons, but yeah, it's nice and tasty. Well, what else can I say? Yeah, no smell, good taste. White to very pale green. Bright yellow skin, usually a little bit elongated. Yeah, it's good. despite the lack of flavor. You find it in season. Definitely buy it, definitely eat it. Melons are good for you if they don't have too many pesticides. Okay, folks, so this was the honey melon. Cucumis melo var inodoros. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the shops and supermarkets of Germany. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.